Welcome back to the channel. So, tell me, do you ever feel like your living room is just too small to look stylish? Well, don't worry, you're not alone, and you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're chatting all about how to make a small living room feel spacious, stylish, and totally cozy, and trust me, it's easier than you think. So grab your cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get into some super doable decorating ideas you'll absolutely love. Start with layout. Alright, let's start with the layout, because let's be honest, when space is tight, every inch counts. Have you tried floating your furniture away from the walls? Yep, I know it sounds weird, but sometimes pulling your sofa just a few inches forward can actually make the space feel bigger, not smaller. Also, think multifunctional, a coffee table with storage underneath or a bench that doubles as extra seating. You want your furniture to work hard in a small space. Playing with color and light. Now let's talk color, this part is fun. Light colors? Always a win. But here's a trick, add pops of bold color in your throw pillows, art, or a rug. It adds personality without overwhelming the space. And lighting? Oh, it's your best friend in a small room. Skip the heavy floor lamps and go for sleek wall sconces or pendant lights, less clutter, more charm. Choose the right furniture. Quick question, have you been holding on to bulky furniture just in case? Time to let it go. Look for slim, raised leg furniture. It gives your space breathing room and lets light flow through. Also, clear or glass pieces like acrylic coffee tables? Total game changer. They disappear visually and keep the room feeling open. Mirrors and wall decor. Okay, here's a decorator's favorite trick, mirrors. Place a large mirror across from a window, and boom, your room instantly feels twice as big and twice as bright. When it comes to wall art, go vertical. Tall gallery walls, floating shelves, even a hanging plant can help draw the eye up and make the room feel taller. Keep it cozy, not cluttered. And lastly, keep it cozy, not cluttered. You don't need to fill every corner. Let the room breathe. Stick to a few well-chosen decor pieces, maybe a textured throw, a vase with dried stems, or a candle tray on the coffee table. The key is balance, you want the room to feel styled, but not stuffed. So, what do you think? Which tip are you trying first, mirror trick? Floating furniture? Swapping out that bulky sofa? Let me know in the comments, I love hearing your ideas and seeing your spaces. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also trying to make the most of their small space. Thanks for hanging out with me today, see you in the next video. Bye for now.